Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to set Google Chrome as a default browser in Redmi Note 7 Pro running MIUI version 11.0. Okay, so this is my Redmi Note 7 Pro device and I have MIUI version 11.0 installed on this. So let me show you first. Okay, so let me open my settings app. Let me tap on this about phone. Okay, and then you can see here I have this MIUI version. You can see MIUI Global 11.0 as installed on this Redmi Note 7 Pro device. Okay, so let me close the settings app. So let's make Google Chrome as a default browser on this device. So first of all you have to install Google Chrome if you have not installed it yet. Okay, so just open your Google Play Store. Okay, just do a search for Chrome and you can see here I have this Google Chrome. Just tap on this to open it, and you can see guys I already have this Google Chrome installed in my Redmi Note 7 Pro. Okay, so if you don't have this installed, just install it, and after that you can close this Google Play Store. So let me close this. Okay, so first of all let me show you guys that I don't have Google Chrome as my default browser on this device. Okay, so let me open one link. So let me open my VLC player. Let me tap on this three horizontal bars at the top left. Let me tap on this about. Okay, so here I have this link. Let me tap on this. Okay, it's opening, and you can see guys it's not opening in Google Chrome. So currently I have this Mi browser as my default browser in Redmi Note 7 Pro. Okay, so let's change it to Google Chrome. So let me close this. Okay, let me close this Mi browser. Let me close this VLC also. Okay, so in order to make Google Chrome as a default browser on this device, you have to open your settings app. Okay, so here is my settings app. Just tap on this to open it. It's opened, and after that you have to scroll down to this apps. Okay, and then you have to tap on this. So let me do that. Okay, and after that you have to tap on this manage apps. So let me tap on the manage apps. Okay, and after that you have to tap on this three dots at the top right. So let me tap on this. Okay, and after that you have to tap on this default apps. So let me tap on the default apps. Okay, and you can see guys here I have this browser. You can see Mi browser is my default browser right now. Okay, so in order to change it, just tap on this. So let me tap over here. Okay, and you can see guys on this screen you can see all the browsers that I have installed on this device. So I have 3, you might have more or less. Okay, so just tap on this Chrome in order to make this Chrome as a default browser. So let me tap on this. Okay, and you can see this option is now selected. Okay, and after that you can go back, and you can see guys in this browser you can see Google Chrome is now set as default. Okay, and after that you can close this settings app. So let me close this. Okay, and let me open that link again. So let me open my VLC player. Let me tap on this three horizontal bars. Okay, and let me tap on this about, and here I have this link. Let me tap on this and let's see whether it's opening in Google Chrome or not. Okay, so let me tap on this, and you can see guys it's opening in Google Chrome. Okay, let me show you that this is the Google Chrome web browser. Let me tap on this three dots at the top right. Okay, and then let me tap on this settings. Okay, and you can see this is the Google Chrome web browser. Okay, so guys that's it. In this way you can easily make Google Chrome as a default browser in Redmi Note 7 Pro running MIUI version 11.0. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks, bye bye.